can't trust a hoe, you know how I go. I ain't crazy, I keep the phone on the Nintendo. You can't play me, niggas, bitches love me, wanna fuck me, that's why they hate me. Escaped death twice, so I guess I got time to take me.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to add custom colored widgets to your iPhone on iOS 14. Let's get straight into it. First thing first, what you want to do is open up the App Store, and this will be the app that you want to install on your iPhone, Color Widgets. Once you install it, open it up. Once you open it up, scroll down, pick which one you want out of these custom widgets. I'm gonna select the basketball one. Tap on edit widget. Okay, once you get into this, you get the small one, the larger one, and a wider one, but I'm gonna stick to the small one. You get to change up the background. I'm gonna keep it as colored. Change the color to red. And once you're done selecting what you want, just press set widget. Go back to your home screen. Hold down on the home screen. Press the plus button at the top of your screen. Scroll down. Tap on color widget. Select between these three options. I'm gonna select this one. Tap on add widget. And there you go. It should look exactly like this. Oh yeah, before this video ends, I also forgot to mention you can add your own custom wallpaper to the color widget. I'm gonna show you how to do that. So open up the color widget app. Tap on the widget that you had saved already. Scroll down to the bottom and it says background photo. Tap on add photo. Select the background that you want. Set it to set widget. Go back to the home screen. And as you can see, it's saved. There you go. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you all in the next one.